Hello and good evening. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry about the delay for the video. Hello again. My name is Alexander Zavala Gomez. I'm studying fifth semester of literature of English. I'm from Ocaña, Norte de Santander. I am a merchant, independent, and started this career in 2016. But I already have studied systems about 2008 in the same place here in the unit. I always have thought that the better way to successful is the sacrifice. We can do everything with effort. This is with this video we have some data like my phone number, my email, and my Skype. By the question A, I think we look for him in his approach beyond what they put in front of us. The message and its respective meaning transcend and go beyond those that in many occasions we try to understand. I would like be looking for the logic evolution in the fantasy writings, by example, taking Wallace Code, the experience of becoming aware of previously unconscious phenomena show the simplicity. By example, the novel of Isaac Asimov and his representation of the three laws of the robotics, and has the unconscious sense of the following them entails beginning to involve in its interpretation. In other words, is the magic that the linguists take us to. In the big question, if we start from the base of the inapprehension, it determines a consent or a meaning. I consider that I don't know exactly if this is my case or not. Now, the ability of the language to perceive the concept and the transmutation with which they can be used catapults towards unimaginable and coherent truth. It fronts us towards a universe of possibilities. And the second part, the types of the interpretation linguistics has come give us the result of the evolution in which, for example, fields like science can go hand with discoveries and in other more theoretical branch thanks to the flexibility of meaning and interpretation. Sitting and Eisen legend or myth has a precedent that we instead for Wallace. Wallace says language needs terms to delineate this concept, and that field has terms to refer the activity and the concept involved in this realization. By example, an expedition in Australia which, upon seeing a kangaroo for the first time, asked what their name was to the native, and they respond kangaroo, which means I don't know, I don't understand. Based on the academic results, no. According to an appointment, it is about describing the language. Looking at it from another point of view, this is about interpretation. To manage clearly the results, of the speaker and the strength of the expression. To know the how, when, and where the correct expression can be part of how, for example, we can give a quote of the presentation on the linguistic environment and multiculturalism. Our country, by example, is how the language is enriched in each cardinal point. The contribution about Ferdinand Desau's spring inspired of the structuralism of Levi Strauss, his linguistic model, meaning and signifying freedom of the view of the language. For other way, Noam Chomsky, the structuralist theory, phonemes, morphemes, and the Krause constituents and behavioral model. And finally, MTA Halliday system functionality language is called literacy medius and theory of registration and use of the appropriate lexicon.